Good morning. It is another gorgeous day. It's going to be on the warm side, and like I said in my other video, critters are coming out, so bridge hunting is not in the cards today, but see if we can find something. So, shall we? So, the first time for me here ever. This is the James family farm in Kearney, Missouri. Birthplace and home of Jesse James. Shall we go in the visitor center? Yeah, we can't go in, but you can look at the table on the left, the table in the middle, and the fireplace. Of course, that's the kitchen. This is Zelda's bedroom. This is Annie's bedroom. We can get a look from the front here in a minute. Here's another look at Annie's bedroom. The wallpaper has peeled, well, not completely off, but the Missouri weather hasn't been good for it. But there's a wardrobe, a sewing machine in there, and this is the parlor. A stove, Frank's poker table there in the middle, and there's a tobacco stand over there on the left. Alright, so this is going to wrap it up, I guess. Admission's $8.50. It's well worth it.